Welcome back to my channel, Trolls Friend Forever. And today, as you all know that I have told this a lot of times in the community post, I finally received the ultimate surprise hair doll Val. You know that, as you all know that Val is my most favorite character from Trollstopia. And today I'll be unboxing her doll. So let's begin with the video. I'm super happy too. There it is. That's all we need. Okay, so first of all, before showing any spoilers here, this is how the doll is gonna look like. She's gonna be like this, and she's gonna have some 4 surprises in her hair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I wonder what it's gonna be. And this is Spanish. We can't read this language, it's not English. So let's reveal the Val doll. And here she is. All revealed up. She's beautiful. I love those purple hair. And now let's go ahead and unbox her. Meanwhile, unbox her, I will have to show you guys black screen because I just can't hold the camera with that too. So let's unbox her. Alright, so there she is out of the box. Now it's time to get these clips out of her. Just give me a minute. Sorry for the wait, but I'm unboxing the doll, so okay, so there we have it. Val is all out of the box. Now let me just take her out. Wow, there she is. Val's Thunder Shock. She looks so beautiful. Look at her, that purple hair. She is my most favorite character from Trollstopia. I can't believe I'm holding a doll of her. And we can move her hands like this. Hi, I'm Val, and oh, I guess we can't move this hand, otherwise the doll would break. We can only wave this hand. Okay, so now to reveal the 4 surprises inside her hair, which would be probably back of her hair if we turn around. Yeah, let's see what she has for us. One of the surprises. Okay, so let's go ahead and find a surprise from her hair. And we have Val in the box too. Just give me a minute. Just cuddling down here. Wow! We have a guitar brush. We can use this to comb her hair. Like that. Which is pretty cute. Look at it. So adorable. Now let's move on to unbox the next thing in her hair. Okay, just cuddling. Be careful not to break anything out of her hair. There's nothing over here. I can't feel anything, guys. There's a problem going on here. So let's keep on just finding some stuff from inside her here. Let's push. Oh, there's something over there. I can feel it. What is it? Ooh, I can see something. Look. We just need to find it out what is inside of her hair. It's almost out. Just a little longer. Something adorable. This one is a bit tricky, but I'll manage to do it. Don't worry, you guys. See? Nearly there. Just gotta dig in. Oops. Almost there. There! Finally out. This little creature came inside her hair for a lot of time, like forever. Now let's see who it is by wrapping it. Okay, here we go. Oh, I know who it is. Who it is? It's Debbie. Oh, the cute one. He is Queen Barb's pet from Trolls World Tour. We already have 2 surprises, so need 2 more. So let's dig into this Debbie and see what's inside of him. Here we go. This is wow. What is that? A snuggle? It's taking a while to take out that toy out of the Debbie. So whoa there. What is that? Almost out. Okay, it's finally out, and I found out. Look, it's a very cute bird creature. I mean, a creature like in the trolls world. It's a fly or something, something like a firefly. Now let's open the firefly because I can see something is inside. Let's see what's inside. Oh, how adorable! We have a microphone. Well, Val can sing her songs. Wait, is there something inside the microphone? Nah, it can't be because now we already have 4 surprises. Let me show you all these surprises which came from her hair. Okay, so first of all, we saw a guitar. Then we find out Debbie. And after Debbie, we find out this adorable little fly creature. And after the fly creature, a microphone. How adorable, right? So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me unboxing all these adorable creatures. And sorry for this black part scene. It was just I was pretty busy taking out creatures from inside her hair. And I was pretty busy from unboxing Val too. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good time. I love you all so much. Bye, troll fans. Love you.